I'm going to show you how to remove the radio CD player from BMW 528i, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need to remove is this blue dashboard removal tool and the size T20 Torx screwdriver. In the first step, you pop out this air conditioning vent with the whole wood panel. You do not need to disconnect it. If you just have somebody hold it up, then you would be able to remove the two screws which holds the whole radio. And once you get the two screws out, just use your dashboard removal tool and pop the whole panel for the AC control. And then make sure you cover the center console next to your shifter so you won't get the scratches. And then there are two more screws which hold the mounting for the CD player. And then you can remove those. And here all the connectors in the back. And if you need any repair for this radio, the CD player, you can send it to iTech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.